Hey guys, Jason Bell with B&B Hardware. Today we are going to talk about the LT440. This is our smaller profile track that we use for automated systems and also hand-drawn, corded, wand pull systems. If you're looking for a fascia or track that's used for more heavy-duty applications, please see the previous video labeled HD 840. All right, so to get on with this, we have a 1 1/8 inch diameter track. This track is really an amazing track. It's you may be familiar with the product. It's from a company out of Germany called Bosch. We partner with Forest Group Drapery Hardware in sourcing this product, and we do receive it in its raw form, which what that means for you is we can powder coat it to match any of our current finishes along with any other powder coated finish on the market. So we're going to go through quite a few different things on this track. One, we're going to show you that this is actually 2 tracks in one. We'll break that down here in a few minutes. We also will show you the bracketing system for it and just go over a few details about this. So first things first, as an automated system, you can use this track with the Somfy motor systems or the Lutron motor system. The track pictured has a Lutron motor housing on it. This is your Somfy motor housing on it. The great thing about this track is that when the motor is on the track, you still are allowed to put individual carriers here, which gives you a cohesive look on your stack for your drapery. And the great thing about the Somfy motor housing is instead of putting it in a horizontal fashion parallel to the track, Forest has pushed this motor housing to the side, which allows you to have a more uniform stack where your pleats are. And this is a big deal. We know this is a complaint that we've had in the past about the drapery looking flat where the motor is, where here's a solution for you. It's fantastic. This track will also come with an end cap, and there are several other finials that you can look on our website that can be applied to this track. We also have the capabilities of applying other types of finials, or if you want to get really creative, we can come up with something for you. We are a full fabrication shop with machining processes available to us. If you're not using this as an automated or cord pull system, you would have received this as a single track. It's really an ingenious way that Forest Group has come up with this track system. Inside is an additional track. When this track is completely removed, you have a standard H-rail profile that you would generally be accustomed to. The great thing about this is for a wand-drawn system, you can use standard ball bearing carriers. And as many of you know, that is the preference across the industry for wand-drawn systems. So the mounting process for this track, whether it's automated or manual, is the same, which is fantastic because it used to not be the same. So you will get your wall bracket mounted to the wall, and then your cover plate, and then you would fit it into the sleeve. Generally speaking, our installers will install the arm of the bracket onto the track first with a little bit of play, so we can move this around and position it where this is already installed at. So this would be installed, you push this to where you want it to be at, you fasten here, Allen head key, then you're good to go. And now I have the corded system I want to show you. Very cool thing about this product and the new design of it is the pulley housing for the cord is inside of the track. And this is a really great idea as it changes the way that this presents when you have drapery attached to it. Where in some other tracks, there may be a large bulky pulley somewhere that interferes with where the drapery will stack at. So this track can be used for pinch pleat or ripple fold, and any of the fullness is available for your ripple fold. Just some high points to touch on real quick. Again, it can be powder coated in any of our finishes. Multiple finial selections. You can get this in the double hung system as well as the single wall bracket, multiple projections, super versatile. Again, it's for more low profile, lightweight applications. If you're wanting something that's more heavy, we definitely want to recommend the HD840. If you have any questions about this product, please feel free to reach out to us, and thanks so much.